Morning folks, Lone Wolf Ride here again, and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so been out today, bit of a test run, that's all, bit of a test run. As you know, I've had a bit of an issue with the battery, caused primarily because I think the bike stood for about 4 or 5 months before I got it, and the battery wasn't front charger. And me being away on holiday this summer, 5 weeks once, and then another 2 weeks, then another 2 weeks. I don't leave it on the Optimate in the garage when we're away from home. I don't think it's a safe policy. So I think that was the demise of the battery. The battery been replaced in the previous video. So this is the first test with it, running everything. So I've got my heated jacket on. That's a case heated jacket. I've had it about 6 years and it is super toasty. It's a jacket, not a gilet. So it's got the arms in it obviously, and I get the heat down my arms, round my neck, front and back, on my chest and across my back. I'm running it at the minute on number 2. Number 3, oh, it's just too hot, you can't handle it. Number 2 is fine, keeps you just toasty. I've got my ultimate add-on grips on. I've got them on full. Now they ain't the hottest grips I've ever had in my life. Anybody who's ever had a BMW knows that their grips are unbelievably hot. These ain't, but they're alright. They're warm enough for me, and today is not, it's about 7 degrees I think. It says 8, so it's probably down to 6 now. My Suzuki's about 2 degrees higher than you would normally find. So as I say, I got them on the point. They're there's a load of adjustment on them, but I'll run them on full and that'll do. And I've got on, I bought it from AliExpress I think. Yeah, AliExpress. A little cover for my seat for the winter. Now anybody knows the channel knows I had a safe Moto and that had a heated seat, and it was the first time I'd ever had a heated seat on the bike. And I couldn't believe how nice it was to sit on an heated seat. Well, obviously the Suzuki I got one. I don't know whether you can buy one actually for it. I don't think you can. So what I did, I bought this little cheap cover out of the top, bit of Velcro straps underneath, wired it in, wired it through the accessory switch so that I'll leave it on. And I have to admit, I'm going to keep 10 out of 10. It's absolutely great. I've got it on again on the medium setting, and that's fine. I think if I was to put it on the arse, it'd be like my jacket, I'd be burning my little tootsie. So everything is running okay. Aoocci BX is running. It's all through a Thunderbox, and I think the issue I had was that the battery level voltage was dropping below a certain level, and that was causing the Thunderbox to drop out, therefore taking everything off. Because once the Thunderbox is off, everything that's run on it switches off, i.e. heated grips, Aoocci, heated jacket. So today I've got it a good run with everything plugged in. And I have to say, it seems to be working really well. Just past this pump when I get a chance. Find that little chap in the van. So that's it then folks. Moral of the story, keep yourself warm. good core temperature. Perhaps a little bit of a warm on the old bossy. Keep your hands warm. I ain't got my heating gloves on. I've got some case heating gloves, but they ain't really over the top. I'm alright with what I got at the minute. So keep yourself warm and your concentration levels will stay up. And that's what we need. So it's a long walk. Right, say bye for now. Have yourselves a really nice Christmas, folks, because I don't know how many times I'm going to get out to make videos between now and then. There's only just over a week to go, I think. Oh no, I think it's about 10 days before this Christmas time. And I'm going away in the new year for a few days, so it's going to be in January before I I'll try and get out again, depending on the weather. But as I say, this is just a short one, basically to give us a rundown on the heating gear and whether everything's hanging up on the battery. And all is well. So till the next time, it's a long wolf. I'm bye for now, and don't forget, just you be careful out there. Lone wolf, bye for now.